Hi, seniors. I hope this finds you doing well. It looks like we are still moving forward with our distance learning. So, just a few notes. Again, let me know how the workload feels. I did meet with a few of you through Google Meets last week and asked, and everybody, from what I heard, seems to think that the workload is okay. Let me know if it's not. I can try and make some adjustments there. Be sure you hit turn in on your assignments so that I know that you're done with them. I've been doing my best to put the grade in Google for you and hit return so that you get it back there, as well as the grade in PowerSchool. I've also been trying to leave you some feedback on any assignment that you turn in so that you have an idea of what's going well and what's not. Don't forget to check in for attendance every day. Mrs. Stoddard in the office is sending out that email in the morning. It doesn't matter if you check in first thing in the morning or in the afternoon, but please, please, please make sure that you're checking in so that we know that you are in attendance for the day. This week's objective is to begin drafting your essay. Your tasks will be to complete the introduction and the first TIQA body paragraph of your essay, which will be due on Friday. I will have optional office hours on Wednesday from noon to 1 and Thursday from noon to 1. So please, if you have questions or you need to work through some things, you can absolutely do that. If you'd like to sign up for a 1-hour one-on-one meeting, just email me with some preferred dates and times, and we can schedule something there. If you want to go over your thesis, your topic sentences, the evidence that you found in last week's assignment, please absolutely reach out. I will be going through and grading last week's assignment at the beginning of this week. So your task is to complete the introduction of the first TIQA body paragraph of your essay, and that's going to be due on Friday. So here's what I have for you. I'm going to be attaching this essay document for you. You can type your essay right on this document. So it says to use this document to type the draft of your essay. This is where it needs to be. You'll be required to meet specific deadlines each week. Each body paragraph should be written in TIQA format, and I will be attaching the TIQA checklist that you used earlier to this assignment if you need help. Due dates for that are here. So you have the next 3 assignments, if you will. So if you know that this week you're not working a lot or you're feeling really motivated and you want to do more than what's assigned this week, you're more than welcome to. But these are the things that I will be checking and grading. So this week I'm looking for your introduction and your first body paragraph. Your introduction shouldn't just include your thesis. Imagine that your introduction should be for somebody who maybe hasn't read the book. So you want to give a little bit about a summary of the book, what it's about, who the characters are, what happens with them. And then your first body paragraph, which should be in TIQA format. I'm going to pause and open up that TIQA organizer. Okay, so I have the TIQA checklist. This will be attached. You can use this to help you in writing your body paragraph. So remember, TIQA, topic sentence. You already have your topic sentences written. That was an assignment in this class. Then introduce your first quote. This might either be the quote from the book that you found, or it could be the quote from the article that you found. Analysis. I was always told, and I really found this to be true, if you have one sentence for your quotation, you should have 2 sentences for your analysis. The idea here is that you're picking shorter quotes and connecting them through your analysis back to your topic sentence. Then you've got your second quotation, including some sort of transition. If you used your book quote for the first quotation, you would use the second quote from your research. And then the last part is the analysis. Please take the time to go through the book. The Curious Incident of the Dog in the Nighttime should be in italics. Shorter works would go in quotations. So if it's an article, that would go in quotations. Paragraph should be indented. Sentences should start with a capital letter and end with punctuation. These are things that you should definitely be doing as a senior in high school. So again, your objective for the week is to begin drafting your essay. You're going to be using this essay sheet. It's literally just a blank document with some due dates for you. Use the TIQA checklist to help you create effective body paragraphs. Do this Friday. I'm looking for your introduction and your first body paragraph. So 2 paragraphs of writing this week. And if you would like some feedback in the middle of the week as you're working, please just send me an email. I'll be more than happy to go in, give you some feedback. I'm hoping to see some of you in a Google Meet for office hours. It would be so nice to see your wonderful faces and connect and see how things are going on your end. Um, Otherwise, I look forward to seeing your work at the end of the week. Have a great week.